Spending too much time in direct sun causes hair to lose its natural melanin. Melanin is a natural pigment present in the hair structure that determines the color of your hair. The sun's harmful UV rays make melanin deplete and thus cause premature graying. Besides applying sunscreen on the skin, don't forget to use sunscreen on the hair as well. Yes, you heard that right. Hair sunscreen forms a protective layer on the surface and helps retain hair's natural color and texture. So in this video, let's see how to make DIY natural hair sunscreen mist at home with just 3 ingredients. This DIY hair sunscreen can also be used as a leave-in conditioner. So the very first ingredient that we are going to need is coconut milk. While coconut oil is very well known worldwide for its amazing benefits in reversing hair damage, even coconut milk has epic usages against sun's UV rays. Extremely rich in omega-3 and 6 fatty acids, coconut milk forms a protective layer on the hair surface. It doesn't let the UV rays enter the hair structure and damage the melanin level. The next ingredient is Moroccan argan oil. Moroccan argan oil is a miracle oil which is extracted from argan pods grown in the deserts of Africa. Argan oil has an amazing power of absorbing UV rays and neutralize its harmful effects on hair. Moroccan argan oil is also a favorite among celebrities because it makes the hair super glossy without turning it oily or sticky. The last ingredient is rosemary essential oil, which is such an underrated oil. It works wonders for hair and makes it grow. I keep using it in all my hair oils, hair masks, and hair tonics all the time. Rosemary essential oil is loaded with antioxidants that slow down hair's aging process. It also means that it reduces the rate with which your hair turns gray. Fill it in a clean, dry spray bottle. Keep it in the fridge and it stays good for up to 10 to 15 days. I would suggest that you make small batches and use it and then prepare a new batch after every 2 weeks. Every time you use it, just give it a little shake like so. Now, after washing your hair and also before stepping out in the sun, just spray it lightly all over the hair and spread it with your fingers or use a comb. You don't need to apply it on your scalp, just make sure that it applies very well across the hair lengths, and you don't also need to rinse it or wipe it because it's a sunscreen cum leave-in conditioner. So guys, this is how I make my DIY natural hair sunscreen cum leave-in conditioner. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Do let me know in the comments how did you like this small secret recipe of mine, and I'll see you all very soon. Till then, bye and take care.